Peace be upon you all. Today I am going to talk about one of the most interesting countries in the world. We need to look at the worldwide culture. We need to know more. We need to experience more things about other countries. Today I am going to talk about Brazil. Its magic and beautiful culture. Brazil is one of the most beautiful countries in different sides. It has many fascinating places, many fascinating culture, and beautiful sceneries. Brazil is located in South America, and it's in the southwestern side, and it's the biggest country in the continent. It has many different type of nature. It has the rainforest, the biggest rainforest, the Amazons. It has mountains and beaches. As you can see here in the picture, there is one of the most famous statues there beside the beaches and mountains. You can see many fascinating and beautiful sceneries there like this one. Brazil is also known for its spiritual and variety of cultures. Music and dancing there is very known and important in their culture. Most famous music is samba music. They are known for samba dancing and like this. You can see that reflects on their way of life and also how they play football. Football is one of the most important, popular, and it mirrors how their personality and the way they think. People there love football and play it at any time, any place, and in any condition. You can see people play football no matter what time it is, no matter the weather is, no matter their mental and physical health. They don't care, they just play football. Because it's just like a meditation for them. It's like drugs for Brazilians. Many people say that. Also, a very known phrase in Brazil, joga bonito. It stands for play beautiful. You can see that reflects the way they play. You can see the skills, the dribbles, and many others. The way the Brazilian people play football made them so special and popular around the world. You can see the difference, the way Brazilian players play and other players in the world play. In Brazil, you can see them do whatever. They are magical in the football, their touch, their everything. But in other places in the world, they are strict to tactics and discipline. Also in Brazil, talked about their culture, their nature, and also they speak Portuguese because of the Portuguese colonization there. It stands for occupation or ihtilal. So the Portuguese people came there and occupied Brazil, so they know some kinds of their culture are reflects by the Portuguese, like their religion and what they talk. But their mother language is Tupian. You might not find many people talk Tupian there, but there is a small part of people still talks that language. In conclusion, Brazil is one of the most fascinating and beautiful countries in the world. I really advise people to know more about the world because that opens the horizons and the way they think and they accept the world. Thank you all for listening, and that's it.